Welcome to SyntropAI. In this long form of troubleshooting demonstration, we explore the AI agent's troubleshooting capabilities. This is the long form version, designed for viewers who are focused on journey with results. The whole video is about 8 minutes. For those who wishes a shorter version, please watch 2-minute short form. This is not just about fixing a problem. It's about showing how the agent thinks, adapts, and keeps going, just like a capable human would. The problem: we are working with a virtual machine named SyntropAI Ampere Engine X VM, which hosts a web server running on port 80. To simulate a problem, we deliberately introduce a misconfiguration. The ingress rule in the security list is set to block port 80. With no prior training or preloaded context, we now hand over the situation to the AI agent, armed only with a basic, natural language instruction. Investigation begins. The AI agent starts by looking for the VM in the last compartment. Nothing shows up, so it expands the search and finds the VM in another compartment. SyntropAI. It confirms that the VM is running and was created on April 26, 2025. It grabs the public and private IP addresses. Next, it tries to connect via SSH to check the Nginx configuration. But access fails because the login credentials aren't available. So the agent shifts strategy. Network and security check. It examines the security list linked to the VM's network. Here's what it finds. SSH, port 22, is allowed. HTTPS, port 443, is allowed. Port 81 is allowed. But port 80, the one Nginx uses by default, is not. That's a red flag. The agent also checks metadata and confirms that SSH keys and user_data were provided at creation. Then it tries to look at monitoring data, but runs into some system errors while fetching those metrics. Attempts that didn't work. Now, the AI agent starts trying different solutions. It tries to inject a fix script using the user_data field, but learns that this field can't be changed after the VM is created. It opens a console connection to the VM, but due to the restricted environment, it can't make much progress there. It attempts to use the instance agent plugin to run commands remotely, but the necessary EPIs aren't enabled. And it retries a few other network diagnostics, but hits more code execution errors. How the problem was solved. Even after these failed attempts, the agent doesn't stop. Here's what finally works. It updates the security list to allow incoming traffic on port 80 from all sources. It then performs a soft reset on the VM, restarting it gracefully so all settings take effect. It watches the VM shut down and come back online, this time with the new security rule in place. Once it's back up, the Nginx web server is accessible again. What we learned: the root cause was simple. Port 80 was blocked in the security list, even though Nginx was ready to serve. The AI fixed it by updating the network rule, restarting the VM, and confirming that everything worked afterward. Why it matters? This kind of network misconfiguration is common in cloud environments. What's remarkable here is that the AI figured it out, without anyone telling it what went wrong. It tried multiple paths, handled failure, and ultimately solved the problem, like any determined and skilled human would. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more deep dives.